So we're very fortunate today to welcome Dennis back with us at INEO. This is the second time that we have been cooperating together, and we would like to get to know you a little bit better, Dennis. So if you could please let us know your company background and the main business that you do, is possible? Yes.
My name is Dennis. I'm from Uganda and I work with Constel and Company Limited. We are a sourcing and logistics firm. We've been fortunate to source products from GFD, high quality products at that, and we are back because of satisfaction.
Yes, very happy to hear that. And then, so from the beginning, when you first come to China, what is your first impression about us, about our company?
Good experience. We got to experience the China culture, sourced the best equipment we could get, and we are satisfied as well as our client. So we're happy about that. And we've had 2 sessions of full Chinese culture.
I remember last time you visited several factories from around, and then also you get to try some local Chinese food and get to experience some city walk,
Yes.
right, around Guangzhou. Yes, and over the past 2 times with us, what specific things that we are offering to you? Like as a company, we offer like products and also some of the requirements that you have to ask us to help you look for certain products. You know, can you like expand on that?
Yes, so we sourced products directly from GFD. We've also benefited from your support in connecting us with other manufacturers of equally good quality, and we've had a very good experience throughout. We've easily found what we've been looking for, and we've often exceeded our expectations.
Wow, thank you very much for sharing. And I remember some of the items, you just give us an idea about what to look for, right? And then we just went around and looked for different items for you. Are we able to meet your requirements?
Yeah, spot on. You've exceeded expectations.
Thank you.
On all occasions.
Thank you so much. And lastly, what would you say you would recommend us to your friends or other companies back in Uganda for us? Would you be happy to do that?
Absolutely. 15 out of 10.
Wow. Thank you very much for your support and your trust with us. And hopefully we'll walk together for this journey, and this will be one of many businesses to come.
Absolutely.
So thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Right.